Welcome back to the Charged Up podcast. Today, we're diving into the official release notes for Tesla's latest software update, FSD May 4th 12, and what it means for the future of autonomous driving. The advancements in full self-driving technology are nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine a world where your car seamlessly navigates traffic, avoids obstacles, and even communicates with other vehicles. With this update, Tesla is pushing the envelope, enhancing features that allow for smoother lane changes and improved recognition of road signs. But let's talk stats. This update is reportedly rolling out to thousands of vehicles, with a significant increase in installs over the last few days. It's fascinating to think about the implications of such widespread adoption. How do we ensure safety and reliability as more drivers rely on this technology? As we explore the intricacies of these updates, it's crucial to consider the ethical dimensions of AI in our daily lives. Are we ready for a future where we relinquish control to machines? Stay tuned as we unpack the complexities of Tesla's latest innovations. And remember, this podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI. Learn more, produced by Daniel Aharonoff.